Hello wood turners and makers, and a warm welcome back. Right, just a quick shout out for Ed, Oliver's wood turning. I've received my sticker, Ed, and my mug for my cup of tea in the workshop. Now it's getting a bit chilly. Your sticker is on the board, my friend. Yes, I had the privilege to speak to him a week ago on the phone, and was asking him some advice and this, and mate, he very pleasant bloke, mate. He answered all the questions I needed answering and helped me out a great deal, so big thanks to that, Oliver, for that, and thank you. Right, this week's project for me, I brought myself one of them little 6mm carbide cutters. So the plan is, I want to put this on to an angle, and I found that, and that actually fits in there perfect. It's quite strong. So what I've got to do is make an angle for it. So it's over to the lathe, and let's make an angle for this. So we'll see it at the lathe. Okay then, a bit of stocks on there what I'm going to be using to make this angle. It's a bit of walnut stuck together, a bit of bits of scrap wood I've got lying in the shed. I'm not sure what that is. I've just stuck that on. It might end up turning away, but if it leaves a bit on, then it'd be a nice little feature on it, I suppose. We'll see as we're turning it. So I've got to start getting this to round, and let's make this angle. Right, that's that. Now we'll get that put on the chuck now, and then we can start shaping it a bit better. Get it ready. I'm hoping I don't actually lose any of that, but I might have a little bit of it left, but we'll see. So I'll speak to you again. Okay then, right. This is now secured onto the chuck. I have drilled a little hole in there because this is on a threaded rod. So what I'm going to do now is just keep grabbing it like that, so it keeps it all nice and level. Just keep threading it in like that, thread it in, and just keep going with it. So then it'll be nice and tight. So I'll do that. Once that's in there and in solid, I'll come back to you again. Then, right, so my thread is now screwed in there for this. I'll decide whether I'm going to glue it in there or whether I want to replace, you know, just in case this ever goes and I need to replace it. So I'll get that back out, get this tailstock up to support this, and then we'll start shaping our angle. Okay, right, what I've done, I've just took that in a bit there, so when that sits in, it sits tight against the wood because of that bit of obviously where the thread goes in. Because then I've got to screw that in there, and then that will screw into there. Now I've started the thread off, and then it will sit nice and tight up against that. So we'll carry on doing our shape from there now, and it looks like we're going to hopefully keep a bit of that in it. I'll tail stop back up. Yeah. Right, I'll put one more on it, part it off, and then I'll meet you over the signboard and we'll have a talk about it. Till then. Okay then, done. Now that is my tool holder. Wasn't the design that I did want, but I had a few issues with it. The wood kept splitting a bit on there, so things like that. It's one of them. It was just one of those days on the lathe that I was turning away. I just couldn't get comfortable, couldn't get right. But it's, you have your off days, I suppose. And I wanted to just show you the video anyway, so I guess I wouldn't put anything up this week, would I? So that's what it is. The bar fits in like that, locks off. You can't push that down and lock it off. It is quite sturdy, but it'll do what it was made and designed to do. Hopefully I'm hoping that will be strong enough as I'm turning that it don't cause any vibrations, but I'll test it and find out. Also, I can also use it for putting drill bits in, and if I do get any more of these, then I can just shove them in, tighten it up, and away we go. That might give you some ideas, mightn't it? So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, press that squidgy button. Till the next time, bye now.